This is Be More Lifestyle.
Welcome back. And the new year is one of the more popular times that couples become engaged. And while it's exciting to think about planning the ceremony, you really need to have the hard conversations. Family law attorney Morgan Foster is back with us right now. Hey, Morgan, welcome back.
Hi, Linty.
All right, so talk to me. What are these topics that couples have to talk about?
So there's a longer of topics, but I'm going to break it down into the really essentials. First, prenup is not a naughty word. I think that prenups get a bad rap and are seen as a way for one party to sort of bully the other party, or as something that's really only available to the richest of the rich. But negotiating a prenup or preparing a prenup is a good way, first, for both parties to become educated about the financial position of each other going into the marriage. Under Maryland law, your premarital property is protected and kept separate if you appropriately keep it separate, but you need to know what the circumstances are in advance. And a prenup can be a tool for both parties to plan ahead and to make sure that they know what they're getting into financially.
Okay.
The second thing I would say is, even if you don't do a prenup, it's a great opportunity to educate yourself about your financial position in the event that you and your soon-to-be spouse were to separate at any point in the future. So even if you don't negotiate and sign a prenup, you can meet with a family law attorney, you can educate yourself online, or just take the opportunity to really understand what it means. One of the things I mentioned is that premarital property is supposed to remain separate under Maryland law. But people can do a lot of things to mess that up by sort of mixing it in with marital assets or doing other things. So it's important for you to educate yourself in advance, whether you have a prenup or not, about how to protect the assets that you acquired on your own prior to getting married.
So now, why do people find these conversations so difficult to have?
Well, I think one of the reasons is that you're so excited about being engaged, and there's a lot of exciting things to talk about, planning the wedding and all sorts of wonderful things. And I think we've also sort of made it a taboo, right? I mean, it sounds a little bit adversarial or contentious, but as most people have heard, financial issues are really one of the causes of great strife in relationships going forward. So you can really set yourself up for success in a marriage way better than having a fabulous party and a wedding, which is also fun, but you can certainly set yourself up in a more meaningful way for a successful marriage going forward if you have financial discussions in advance.
Right. And those discussions are definitely important, for us to have. And I know Kanye West said it best. We want prenups, right?
That's right. That's right, girl.
You're right. Okay. Well, thank you so much, Morgan. I appreciate you. And we have to wrap right now. We're running out of time. But thank you, girl. Appreciate you.
No problem. Always happy to be here. Thanks, Lady T.
All right. All right.